Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here together with me. And today I just felt such a need to open a new perfume. I felt like I'm craving for some kind of new experience of another type of perfume. And I thought, why don't I open today Pour Oudi? The reason why, because I felt like this perfume is a bit it can either go into good direction or into wrong direction, or to be somewhere in between. I saw a review of this perfume. First review was a good one. It was a man reviewing it, and another perfume was a lady reviewing it, and it's kind of good but also kind of so-so. So anyway, I don't know nothing about this perfume. It's by Lattafa. What I know is that the bottle looked gorgeous. The bottle, there was a cinnamon stick inside it. We're gonna open it, but before I do, guys, I will read some notes for you. Maybe I could read it right now. Okay, so what does it say? So basically, perfume. So what it says on Fragrantica, that it's by Lattafa, it's amber perfume. Amber perfume for man and woman. Top notes would be agarwood, which is oud, cinnamon is actually inside this box, guys, amber fragrance, and jasmine, sandalwood, amber, gaiac wood, vanilla, musk and cedar. What else does it say there? Does it say anything else? So there is jasmine, basically. There is jasmine, and mostly people rate that as kind of long-lasting. People say that it's like Christmas cookies in the bottle. It's like beautiful bottle, it says. They are very happy about it, and price is very low, and basically people are overwhelmed, and smell like almond, it says, and very synthetic oud and cinnamon. Smells very cheap, and they don't recommend it. Some people says that it's sweet, cheap, fake, floral. And some people says they love it, beast performance. So some people love it, and then like it says great oud scent. So what else? Basically, it's interesting to see what people says. This is what. So another person says that this perfume is either hit. Lattafa perfume is either hit or miss, but this perfume was a miss. So that means, guys, once I will open it, it can either be good or bad. Let's see, guys. I just have some, mixed feelings about this perfume. But one thing that I will know, the bottle will be very beautiful. So this is, guys, perfume by Lattafa. I love Lattafa perfumes, and Ardal Zafran as well. They were the best perfumes that I, kind of tried. The ones that were affordable, together with others, but they were very, very pleasing perfumes in my eye. So let's see, how can we open this one? I don't want this. There's some kind of sticker there. So they put the sticker, so it's gonna be very difficult to open. Here, I'm gonna open the sticker, and then we're gonna guys take it from this box. Let me just sniff it slightly. So far, not really into it. So once I opened, guys, I saw this particular, box and the bottle as well. And what else we have? There is inside also would be, basically it would be, guys, deodorant, which is good to keep it in your bag, and this beautiful bottle. And we can have a look at this bottle, just one more right now. So as you can see, it's swimming. It's a cinnamon stick swimming in this particular bottle. I felt, if I would put cinnamon in, I would put some kind of more beautiful cinnamon type of, part. And these were looking kind of little bit cheap, in like a very fastly type of put, just three, and they look very kind of not nice. But anyway, I have never had perfume with something in it. So let's see. Is there any like expiry date written there? 36 months from opening. Okay, so I need to consume it within 36 months. And so pure woody, so looks very, very royal, isn't it? This perfume, when I sniffed the box, I didn't like it, guys. But I hope it's not a perfume that smells like that. Okay, so we can open it. Nothing. Can feel something, but not sure what. Okay, so what we just gonna do, we gonna spray one more time. One time, guys. I really hope I will like it. It's kind of doubtful. So this, kind of, I thought it's gonna be worse than what it is. It's kind of, guys, I don't know how to say to you. This one is kind of tricky one. So what I feel is kind of synthetic, like when they say synthetic, it's true. There is definitely oud in there, but that oud is kind of very slightly not extremely pleasant, not so pleasant. There is some kind of note there, like kind of screaming, that is a little bit irritating. I'm not like, for example, when I just sprayed it right now, I'm not sure if I can wear it, I'm not sure, guys, if I could wear it unless the dry down will come out to me slightly nicer than what it is. It's kind of reminds me of a little bit some kind of like a car, you put something like oil, or when you put in the car some kind of like oils, or you're using some kind of products for your car and it smells really harsh, when you open the bonnet, and I never did that, but I never put any type of things in the car, like some kind of, what's that, oil probably, like maybe now it became slightly better, as that screaming note kind of went away, I can feel the jasmine too, but that jasmine doesn't seem to me dominant. It's as if you would mix like a car oil with jasmine, but maybe in the dry down would feel slightly better than what's screaming, just right after spraying. Like, okay, so the fact is that it became more pleasant right now, but is that really like, let me see if I would just, so let's say I can feel slightly pleasant notes. Like, do you notice Dirham Wardi, guys, this pink bottle? So that type of jasmine is coming through, which is actually better, better than what I sprayed at the beginning. But that jasmine is not exactly the same, Dirham Wardi is maybe more pleasant. This one is as if would be mixed with oud in some kind of harsher way. Let me see. Like, I think, guys, this perfume, it can be likable. I think I will not hate this perfume. Like, my first impressions are just first impression, but I can also feel that I will have to be slightly careful, guys, when using this particular perfume. I will have to be slightly careful. The reason why, because it can be slightly overwhelming, this sharp notes, than what it is. I think I definitely have seen better notes. Let's have a look. What is there exactly, guys? Let's just simply have a look, guys. What is exactly there? So it says oud, cinnamon, nutmeg, jasmine. So I can feel jasmine, I can feel oud, amber, not that much. Gaiac wood. I don't know how Gaiac wood smells like. Jasmine mixed with some kind of different wood that is a bit harsher, that's all. But it didn't seem to be very bad, It didn't seem to be very bad. It will not be also extremely good. It will be, I would say, from 60 to 70% likability, or from 50 to 70%. So I think I will hit this on those days when I will kind of want to wear something a bit different and slightly daring, and something that perhaps if people will smell on me, they will not exactly know what am I wearing here. And it's not gonna be like a compliment getter. It's not. But people will smell it and they will think perhaps what a strange or unusual smell. And this type of perfume that can leave people perhaps not knowing what to think, that type of situation. I think it's always possible, guys, to layer this perfume. It's a layer. If you find perfume that you are not 100% liking, perhaps you can layer it with something else. Like, let's say, if I will layer this perfume with chocolate musk, the situation can be, much better. It's not bad, guys. Like, let's say if you would like to purchase this perfume and you see it, and it, this bottle attracted you kind of, and you really would like kind of to buy it, but you are not sure what to get. So you can get it, but don't think that it will be perfume that you will love it, from, forever. It's just going to be perfume that will be on its own, will have this distinct type of smell. Perhaps some days you will reach it, but some days you will not. That type of perfume? Like, after having this perfume, I have a sense that I will not purchase it again, but experience of having it, I'm very happy to try this perfume just to see what it is. I think it's suitable for man and woman because there is a harsh element and there is a feminine element, that jasmine floral, and it can be right in between. It's not overly sweet as well, so really man can wear it. I think it can kind of, man can wear it if they like Middle Eastern vibe, but it's not similar to Acqua di Gio. There is no way. Not a Polo perfume, not Armani perfume, neither of those designers you will have. This is going to be completely other notes, if you are adventurous person. So this perfume, guys, perhaps is for adventurous person, but it's not going to be ugly perfume. It's not ugly perfume. It's kind of on its own, Pour Oudi is the name, and whoever, guys, has enough courage to try this perfume, give it a go and let me know the experience. And what's the most important thing is that that perhaps it will give you as well compliments from other people, like that this perfume would be kind of pleasant, not only for you but for other people. It's possible, it's possible. That type of situation is really possible, but it depends. When I, let's say, saw first review, that person was saying that this perfume is really beautiful and that I should give it a go, I think that wasn't perhaps extremely correct, because this perfume, maybe not for for each person, that would be very likable perfume. So it's kind of, I wouldn't be able to recommend you guys that, yes, buy it 100%. I wouldn't be able to recommend you that. But what I would say is that if you end up buying it, sometimes, you will use it and perhaps sometimes you will enjoy it. But also, if, let's say, you're gonna use it every day, perhaps this perfume can bore you a little bit, it can become a bit too much, but mostly people are using different perfumes each day, so that wouldn't be a question. So that's another type of perfume, another type of adventure. This type of adventure, guys, was with the cinnamon sticks, oud perfume with a little bit of jasmine, which made it so interesting. And guys, I will really say to you, have a great day, guys, with this perfume, and let me know if you're thinking to try it, or you perhaps already have it, and what's your opinion. Have you ever, guys, got some kind of compliment, at least one compliment have you ever got while wearing this perfume? That would be a big thing. And have a great day, guys. I'll be back to you soon, and bye bye.